that's how we say hi. I'm glad we met today. 很高兴认识你 Let's say it one more time. 你好你好 Say it with a smile. Let's be friends for a little while. 很高兴认识你 So nice to meet you too. Wave and say hello. 你好你好 The sun is up, a brand new day. Let's stretch and start our way. Morning breeze and morning light. Time to say it right. 早上好 Good morning, bright and clear. Say it to someone near. Let's try it once again. 早上好 my friend. When the sun is high, we say 正午好中午 Hi, it's midday. As the stars begin to glow. 晚上好 Just say hello. From dawn to dusk, from day to night, we greet with joy and feel just right. Words so simple, smile so wide. Chinese greetings full of pride. 你好你好再见 Let's sing it once again. So glad we met. 再见 my friend. 再见再 see you next time.
Hi guys, it's time to do some practice.
Hi, how are you?
你好，你好，
Nice to meet you.
很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。
Good morning.
早上好，早上好，
Good evening.
晚上好，晚上好。
See you next time.
再见，再见。